how to connect your domain to Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you guys step by step how to connect a domain name from a third-party domain provider to your Shopify store. So make sure to finish this video until the end and making your store more professional and accessible to any customers around the world. So without no more talking, let's get started. First guys, go and open your Shopify dashboard, then scroll on the bottom and hit on settings. Then guys, scroll directly to domain section, then hit on domain. Then guys, I will show you guys before starting linking your domain name to your Shopify, I will show you guys the easy method to buy a new domain name. For example, just hit on connect existing domain, then go to open the domain provider, for example Namecheap, GoDaddy or Hostinger or any domain name provider, for example this one. Then after, just go to the search bar and tap namecheap.com or godaddy.com, then go and verify your account with your email address or phone number. Then guys, go to the search bar and tap your store name or company name, for example on your switch, and hit on search. Then guys, it will give you a bunch of different domain name, for example .com, .news, .org, .net, .ei. Then guys, I prefer for example this one, .com. Then just hit on add to cart. Then guys, this is the easy method to buy a new domain name or Namecheap or any domain name provider, for example this one. Then guys, hit on add to cart, then go back and go directly on the top and select view cart. Then guys, I will show you how you can easily buy a new domain name. For example, just hit on auto renew and select this one and select how many years that you want, 1 year, 2 to 5 years. Then guys, go directly to, if you have a promo code, or just you need to select confirm order, then hit on confirm order. Then it will take you directly guys to your payment section. You can easily add your credit card or debit card, or you can use your PayPal to buy your domain name. As you see guys, this is the easy method to buy your domain name or a new domain name on Namecheap or any domain name provider. Go back and hit on domains, or you can just go to account and hit on account. Then guys, go scroll to the left side and hit on domain list, then hit on domain list. Then guys, this is my domain name. Then if you want to link this domain name to your Shopify store, just go and hit on just go and hit on manage. First guys, you need to tap your domain name first and paste it, then hit on www dot and paste your domain and hit on next. Then guys, this domain required the verification. Then guys, first you need to add the txt record to your domain name. Then guys, go to domain name, then hit on go to advanced DNS, then hit on advanced DNS on the top. Then guys, scroll to add a new record, then hit on add new record, then txt record, then txt record. Then go back and name is Shopify dash verification, or you can just hit on copy, then go back and the name is then go back and also go to required value, then hit on copy, then also paste on the value section, then hit on automatic and make it save changes. As you see guys, the text record and the record section was added successfully on your domain name. Then go back and just hit on verify code. As you see guys, your domain name was added successfully. As you see guys, is SSL pending. Then guys, if you want to make it a primary, just hit on and select the domain name and go to domain and change domain type. Then guys, hit on primary domain, then hit on change domain type. Now guys, your domain name is now the primary domain of your online store. Then guys, this is the easy method to add and link your domain name to your Shopify or any domain name provider. Then guys, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Shopify videos and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.